grant us the strength to ride again through the chaos of this mortal coil. The Emperor's grace, our